Welcome to Jothi Silambam Kshakthiriya Gurukulam. Today we are going to doing the workout for knee pains. Many people have knee injuries and knee pains. People who have knee pains, what do you have to do in the way? How do you find it is a knee pain or ligament pain? So many varieties of knee pains. You already know because sometimes knee pains come from your overload of weight, sometimes overload of exercise, sometimes overload of running, sometimes overload of jumping, swimming, cycling. These and all is also cause knee pain. So many people are suffering from knee pains. Even too long they're running, too long jumping, too long swimming, too long times. Because same exercise. If you do longer time and longer years of practicing, that also causes knee issues. Because sometimes you overweight. Like example, you are beyond the weight. That overweight, you are walking and jumping, you strain your bones. So what happens usually, your leg will be unshaped. You look a little bit bendy, like a bow legs. As soon as you get a bow legs, you have to find out if these people have the overweight. So overweight bodies, how you have to first you have to reduce your body weight, then only you are fix the knee problems. Then you directly your knee pain, you directly go for the doctors. I have a knee pain. They can't do anything about knee pain. Maybe they do the surgery or something else to try to fix it up. It doesn't permanently will have the reduce of the knee pain. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to reduce your body weight. Reducing your body weight to out of knee pain. So people who have the knee pain, just concentrate your body weight, and then maybe sometime knee pain causes with your shoes or slippers or your walking styles or whatever you do also is causes the knee issues, knee damages. So sometimes they're using 3 years the same shoes, 1 year same shoes, and that also causes the knee issues. So this kind of issues you have to think about it. Also causes a knee pain. Knee pain is not only for knee injuries or anything. People who have overweight, it causes many people have knee issues. Ligament tear, okay, people have the ligament tears. Ligament tears are not easily quickly fix it up. You have to take a long rest of a ligament tear. If you have a ligament tear and then you can again exercise, it can make you the serious injuries of your ligament. So if you have the ligament tear, you have to use a couple of oil. I tell you, the castor oil. Castor oil you apply on the knees when you go to bed, like 1 month, 40 days or 1 month you can apply just on your knee, surrounding your knee, and gently massage, and automatically your knee and ligament will be fixed up. If you do ligament tear, you are too much exercise again and again you're complaining about your knee. The way of you fixing your knee pain is permanently you will keep your knee pain. So knee pains is not causes only for knee injuries. Okay, so that is one thing. Sometimes if you have a knee pain, what do you do? Okay, like exercise, how type of exercise you have to do? So what do you have to do? Just you sitting on the chair like this. Okay, you sitting on the chair like this, and then you have to lean left, lean right, lean left, lean right, lean left and lean right. Okay, so upper body workout. You can use upper body workout, and then you also push forward and backward. Push your body forward and backward. So you have to sitting on the stools or sitting on the things. You have to upper body workout without strain your knees. So first of all, your fatty liver will be fixed up. Abdomen must be fixed up, tone up, everything tone up. Then only you will be stand up and practice, because at least weight 1 or 2 kilo weight loss on your upper body. Then you have to do it. Also you have to drink enough water. Also increasing vitamin E and zinc if you have the knee pain. Okay, and then the calciums and all other minerals also you have to increase. It depends on the people is changes. So basically you have to increasing vitamin E and zinc. Okay, if you have knee pain, we can put one exercise, one class for the next sessions. People who are interested, you let us know. Thank you.